There are dozens of reasons to add more fish to your diet. It is a healthy source of protein, and many types are low in calories and fat. But the real benefit is all the omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats our bodies don't make autonomous. Make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Number 1. Salmon. It's a mainstay all week for good reason. Salmon is loved for its versatility, fast cooking time, and mild taste. Salmon is usually slightly lower in fat and higher in protein, vitamins and minerals. So opt for farmed salmon whenever possible. Number 2. Cod. If you're looking for low-calorie protein that's quick to prepare, look no further than cod. It is also rich in phosphorus, which strengthens bones. Cod is great for grilling or frying, as well as in seafood stews and soups. Number 3. Sardines. Not only is it a delicious and easy way to get protein, but canned fish is packed with it too vitamins and nutrients. For example, there are more omega-3 fatty acids in one serving of sardines than portion of salmon or tuna. Number 4. Tilapia. Due to its minimal fishy taste and delicate aroma, indigo is our recommendation for humans who don't think they like fish. Because the natural taste is very boring. It's one of the most economical and flexible options on the market, as well as one of the lowest levels of mercury. Number 5. Tuna. Tuna is another popular choice thanks to its light yet luxurious taste and versatility. Tuna steak is perfect for grilling or grilling. Tuna is also popular served raw in bowls and sushi. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and comment your favorite dish below.